Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. I'm not doing an intro today. I'm sorry, I don't feel like doing it. But if you read the title, today I'm just going to talk to you guys about something. I don't feel like myself right now guys. I just miss him, you know? I miss my ex-boyfriend, guys. And like, today is February. And me and my ex-boyfriend met this month on the 23rd. And yeah, we met on the 23rd. It's coming up, you know? I got videos of me and him on Snapchat. And when I go to Snapchat, you know, like you have like your old videos pop up. Yeah. And it sucks because you miss that person, but you do not know if that person missed you back, you know? People tell me like, oh, you need to hear. Like, I am, little by little, I am, but like, you know, like some of the days you start crying because like you miss that person, you know? It's just like you don't know what the fuck to do now, you know? Like people be like, oh, just move on, focus on yourself. I am focusing on myself, you know? It's just like I just want to hang out with him, I want to hang out with him more, you know? But I feel like I'm begging him to hang out with me, you know? So I just hate begging, you know? And like I have a big ass heart and I just hate it. Don't get me wrong guys, I miss him a lot, you know? But oh my god guys, I miss his parents, I miss his sister, I miss his brother so fucking much. When you break up with somebody, you don't just miss that person, you miss his family, you miss that person's family too. And I do. I wish we can go back and start over again, you know? It's like, hi, my name is Angel, and hey, my name is this, you know? But I just miss him a lot. And I miss his family so fucking bad, guys. Like, so bad. So bad. And I want to go over there. I might go over there this weekend. Hopefully I do. Like, bro, it's hard. Cause like, bro, it's my first boyfriend. My first heartbreak. People will be like, oh, it's okay, it's your first heartbreak. It is. And it sucks. Really get your first boyfriend and your first heartbreak. Like, when you and that person talk about everything, like, oh, we're going to stick together, we're going to get married. We did talk about getting married, and I got him a promise ring. I had to find it. I left it inside my house. I had to go find it and put it back on. So yeah, but it's going to fit on this finger, on the middle finger, because it fit on this one, but it's going to fit on his side. It's going to fit on this one because it's ring, his ring size. But every time I put it on this finger, because it fit on that one. You know, it's just like, bro, I miss him so fucking much. Like, you know, like I always tell myself, like, are we getting back together? Like soon? Like, you know, it's like he told me we'd get back together. You know? And like I feel like he did mean it, but I don't know. Waiting for the person you love so much, it's hard. I'm not like, it's so damn hard to wait for the person you love so damn much. It's just, it's, oh god. I miss him so much, guys. I miss his family. I miss everything about him. He's a nice guy. I don't hate him, guys. I don't. Never in my life, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I hate this person because of this and this and this. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that. Why? Because he's a nice person. He's so fucking nice, guys. So nice. So yeah, guys, I'm here at McDonald's, guys. No one's here, it's just one guy. He just got here, but yeah, he's over there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's over there. But yeah, guys, you just like, oh my god, bro, like. I miss talking to him, miss hanging out with him, miss talking to him, miss going to sleep on the phone with him, like everything, you know? But it sucks, guys. I don't know what else to say, guys, but I know this video is so short, but it just I need to take it out and tell you guys how I feel about my ex-boyfriend, you know? I still love him, you know? I love him so damn much, you know? It's just like, oh my god, bro, like, I do not want him to be like, oh, I don't know if he's going to watch this video. I don't want to be like, oh, I feel bad for him. Like, no, I do not want nobody to feel bad. You know, it's just like I have nobody to talk to, so I'm talking to you guys. So yeah, I don't know if his mom and dad's going to watch this or his sister, but I fucking love you guys so fucking much, and I miss you guys so much. I think about you guys every day. I think about him every day. It's like, oh my god, I love you guys so much. And I just want to close the video right here. Thank you guys for watching the video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I come back when I'm okay. Okay, guys? So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.